Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. If this is your first time here, welcome. So today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing and I am super excited to add this piece to my collection. So I will do the unboxing first, give you my reasons why I wanted to add this piece to my collection, and my personal opinion if this is something worth waiting for or if you should consider the pre-loved market. So let's go ahead and jump right in. And I got the call about a week ago that this came in. And I was just all smiles because this is a very popular bag, as you guys will see in a second. And I just couldn't wait to add this. So here is the magnetic box with the gorgeous gold ribbon. I absolutely love the new boxes. I just find it that it's super easy to use for other things. If you want to store things in here, use it for bags, travel, whatever. I think it's amazing. All right, inside you'll find the duffel bag along with the receipt, and I can talk about that in a second. Here I have my brand new Pochette favorite in the demi ebene print, and I am in love. Okay, this piece is something that I had in my luxury shoe vision board collection for quite some time, and I couldn't wait to add this because I absolutely love the silhouette, but I love this silhouette in this print. This also comes in the monogram print and also in a demi-azur, and it's also available in the PM size. Currently, the price for this is $985 US. The measurements on this is 11 inches by 6.7 inches and 1.6 inches in depth. And it features a gorgeous red lining, and when you open it up, it has the magnetic closure. And then on the back, in the middle, it has the interior pocket, which I love. And it also has the removable leather strap, which you can use as shoulder or crossbody. And also the option of using it with the gold chain. And also the option of using this under your arm. So that is right off the bat the reason why I wanted to get this bag, because I just find it that you have so many options and you can wear this in so many different ways with so many different outfits that I just think it's absolutely worth it. Now, I find that the only con that I have to say is the magnetic closure and also how this is going to get scratched, because bags like this from like Louis Vuitton, like if we take this for example, or the Eva clutch, you know, you have to be very careful because scratches are just gonna happen. But I have to say that I'm pretty careful with things, but that is probably my concern, my only concern. Now, I wanted to add this piece to my collection aside from the way that I can use this in so many different ways, was also because I have a lot of monogram print in my collection and that is my favorite, but I think that this particular silhouette looks amazing in this print by far. I just find that, you know, it's just so classy looking, and I just love the way that it looks with the gold chain. I just don't think that it looks as pretty with the other ones. I mean, maybe the demi-azur, but I just think the demi ebene for sure. Another thing that I wanted to mention was that, you know, I got the over the PM for the simple reason that I like to keep all of my SOGs kind of more secured, and I found that the PM, when I put everything there, because I did take all of my SOGs when I was looking at the and the PM, I found that with the PM you pretty much saw everything when you open the bag. And I think that with the I like the fact that it's a little bit deeper and you don't have to worry so much about it. And the fact that when you do close it, you know, this tends to be pretty secure, you know, with the magnetic. And I also like the fact that in the back I can just put like my credit card wallet that I've been using lately. I can just use that in the back just for more security reasons. But that was the reasons, or those were the reasons rather, why I wanted to get this piece. Another thing that I wanted to talk about, and this is just all personal opinion, is the price on this, and also if this is something that's worth waiting for. Now, I got on the wait list for this last summer, so it took me about 8 months. But I think that for a piece like this that is not yet discontinued, it is worth the weight for under $1,000. I think that if you can, you should, because I've seen this in the pre-loved market for up to $1,500, and I think that's a little steep. You know, for something like this that you can still get at the Louis Vuitton store brand new, why not wait? Because you're looking about, you know, $500 difference. And I have to say that, you know, some you might find it for over $1,000, but you know, with taxes, I'd rather pay over $1,000, but it's brand new. You know what I'm saying? So I got this for $9.85, and I got this at a Louis Vuitton store in New York State. And with taxes, I paid $1,068, just to round it out for you. And I think that it's totally worth it. You know, yes, it took a long time. Yes, it was 8 months, but this is a silhouette, or these are the things that I look into or that I research on when I'm planning to add a silhouette to my collection, because there is a price difference. And if it's not discontinued, why not wait? But again, everyone might have different reasons. But I also wanted to just briefly talk about the current price, because I'm going to compare this with the Gucci Soho. Some might disagree, but I think that that bag is just as popular as this one. It's always sold out. And the Gucci Soho recently went up. I think it was $980, and it's over $1,000, almost $1,100. And I would not be surprised that Louis Vuitton would raise the price in the silhouette. So if you're starting out your Louis Vuitton collection, or just your luxury collection in general, if you're looking for a crossbody bag and maybe you don't have the funds to maybe invest in a Pochette Métis, then I think that this is the perfect piece for it, because I also find that this is very lightweight. Depending on what you put inside, I think that you have more flexibility with this, and I think it's more budget friendly, because honestly, I think it's worth the price. Every aspect of it is worth the price, you know, with the exception that some might think that they don't like the magnetic closure. I think it's totally worth it. So I just wanted to talk about the pricing, and also just talk about the fact that if you are going to get on the wait list, I'm one of those that I'll go on to 3 different Louis Vuitton stores and get on that wait list. And that's what I did with this particular piece. So when this store called me and said, I have the piece for you, do you want it? I said yes. I called the other 2 and I just said, can you please take me off the wait list, because I no longer need it, and they can just give it to the next person. So that's how I do it when it comes to pieces like this, just as popular as the favorite MM, because I know that everybody wants that. You know, it's a piece that everybody likes, and you should. This is a very popular bag for good reasons, because I honestly feel that it gives you a lot of options, and it's just worth it. So I love it. I cannot wait to start using this. Let me know if you guys have this piece. Let me know your pros and cons, and also if you do get a lot of scratches, because that's my concern. But that's it. So I cannot wait. I'm super excited. Cannot wait to start using this. And it's gonna look gorgeous with my other Demi Ebene prints. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and I'll see you very soon on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.